about, you know, fix my shirt. So anyway, with this Vitara, 2008 Grand Vitara, let me show you what I got. So one of my loyal customers here from Sunshine presented me with this Vitara. This is his stock radio, right, which is now giving problems. He was able to source this, a complete unit, but look, not lucky at all. This isn't the split unit where the AC module is separate from the radio. So what I'm doing now, I'm gonna have to go through. I'm gonna have to go through. And what I'm doing now is I'm splicing and getting all the AC wires in place, you see me, so that he can retain his AC. Then now I'm done, I go and wire up the radio, you see me. So yeah, man. Let me see. Yeah, so I go through one by one, man. Hold on. Wait. What an angle. I'm gonna set up my tripod. Anyway, so I'm going through one by one. You see me? Aiming for that crisp, clean look. Don't know, so I get all the wires coded in. Keep it neat. Have my wire stripper. Yup. Slow and steady, huh? Slow and steady. Slow and steady. The wire. Alright, so all the AC wires have been tapped in. You see me? Did a test run. Pow. So now wire up the radio harness now. And whoever it is that took the thing out thought it was a good idea to cut the wires like 3 inches short. But it will reach still, you know, but you know. See a blow. Power transfer in place. All modes working. Circulate the radio now. What time? 137. PM, that's right.
To understand how you are getting what you are getting, so that you may be more definitive
He's
in
going to
your
the car wash
attract
now, so don't
knowledge,
worry.
that you may attract those things, more of those things.
So we neaten up and wrap up. These wires weren't used. We can easily revert to stock. Told him to just watch it for now. If it acts up, we can just switch back to stock. Use the original module and just get the proper dash kit and a single in. Or if you want to go double, we can do that. So yeah, because he got this on his own. I didn't get this one. It's alright. Simple thing, bro.
You don't like me, but I need first. You don't run in, no, that let me need her. Louis V sneakers, match my t-shirt. Start up a G-League.